chicken curry spring roll and chicken curry samosa. Oh, this one is so good. You can try both ways. Here we're gonna do both of them. Let's try this. Oh yeah, the crunch is so good. I could have like at least four of this. It's gonna be so good. Now let's get the samosa. It's a Portuguese inspired dish. Yes, it's same thing, but it's just triangle. Let me try this. Oh yeah, this one takes the cake for me. This one is my favorite. Oh, you can see the chili there. Yep, this is so good. Try both of them. Now let's start. Here's the chicken breast we cut into cubes. Put some curry and chilies. That's why it's a bit orange. Then potatoes, bell pepper, and garlic, and of course some ginger. Not in the picture here. Now let's start. Let's heat up the oil. We're gonna start with cooking the chicken curry. Get some good oil there. All right, that's about good now. Turn on the stove. Get the heat good. I didn't get to show in the video earlier, but the onion, I had to peel the onion and cut it good, so it's gonna be ready. I cut it into chunks like this, so it's gonna get softer anyway, so it's gonna be okay and good. It's a bit chunky, sorry about that. Just like me, chunky. Alright, get this oiled up good. Now, next up is the ginger. Some diced ginger, just a little bit for the curry, so it's gonna be good. And the bell peppers, just one medium-sized bell pepper and one small potatoes, diced up into cubes. That will make sure this is good, getting good. Get it all cooked well. Get it started ahead of time before the chicken breasts. This way the taste is gonna be so good. Yes, we let it sit like this for a minute. Yep. Now here, a spoon of curry powder to get the flavors really good and strong. Yes, mix it good. Because the chicken breast, I already put a spoon of chicken powder while it was marinating good with the chili powder. That's why it became orange. Now it's time for the chicken breast. Just marinated in a spoon of curry powder and a spoon of chili powder. Sorry. Yes, now mix it good. It's gonna cook really quick because it's just chicken breast. So we don't want to overcook it. We just get all the good flavors in, and once it's cooked, it's gonna be all ready. Yes, mix it well like this. Yep, now let it sit for a minute. Here we cut some red chili because you know me and my brother, we like it hot and spicy. Just one, so that also my mom could have some. Yes, she doesn't like it too spicy, so you use just one. It's gonna be good. All right, now it's time. About half a cup of coconut milk for the sauce. Yes, it's gonna be really good now. Keep mixing this and make sure the pan is getting deglazed well with the coconut milk. And it's gonna be real quick. It's gonna thicken up soon. It's actually almost cooked. We're gonna salt it up a bit. Yep. It's a bit more. And mix it, and looks like it's almost done. Because remember, we stir fried the chicken breast with the potatoes and the onions and garlic. It's gonna be so good. Yep. It's just that simple. It's actually done. Okay, now let's go to the other table to wrap it up. Here, we're using a spring roll wrapper. We're gonna wrap it like a typical spring roll. At the Vicky, I'm holding the pan because it's wobbly. Okay, now she rolls it like a usual Oriental spring roll. Yes, that's about it. Where she's getting egg yolk for actually egg wash just to make sure the spring roll is sealed up. Others don't do this, they use water. You can use water or egg wash, that's fine. Tiviki's prepping the plate. We're gonna have some more. Okay, now it's my turn. Let me give it a shot. All right, here we go. So it's a bit chunky and good. Yes, fold the sides first, then roll it. And some egg wash to make sure it's sealed. Okay, it's good, but Ate Vicky still makes it way better than I do. Through experience, of course. She wraps it really good and firmly. There you go, see that? Now she'll do the rest. Okay, now it looks like we've done about 10 piece spring roll right here. And we can do about 8 pieces of samosa or shamosa. Just trying to figure out how to fold it in a triangle. Pull her just simple like that. Egg wash to make it all sealed. You can use a fork to help press it down good. Yep. And now here it is. 10 piece spring rolls and 8 piece samosa. Now let me go fry this good. Yeah. Here we are. We use a small pan so that you don't use a lot of oil, but we have to fill it up halfway through. Just pour the whole bottle. Oh, it's just half a bottle, so it's just 1/4 left, so we add more. So about half the pan, this way it's gonna get deep fried good, right? Now once it's hot like this, here's a trick I started doing, making sure it's crispy. You don't let it get too brown so much, and then you flip it, and then flip it back once it's cooked. So this way you're like flipping it twice, like this. It's not yet brown, but we're gonna flip it just to make sure everything is getting cooked well. And then we flip it back on the same side that we flipped right now. So it's gonna be like almost like a double dipped or double fried way. See that? And flipped again. Now it's almost done, and you can ensure this is gonna be extra crispy. These are like kind of like double frying or double dipping French fries to make it out crispy. Look at that. So crispy. The next one, we do the same way. There you go. And then when it's halfway through, we flip it, and like that, and go back, and that's all crispy and good. Yep, it's all good and done. Yes. Set the side here. All right, next up is the spring rolls. This one is gonna be a tiny bit easier because they just roll, you know. So when you gotta flip it, you just roll it and it gets good. Like a few times rolling like that, and then going back and forth until it's like really crispy. Because if you don't turn it over and over, it's just gonna burn the outside or get the outside dark first before getting it crispy. So we'd like to avoid that. So this way, even once it's cold, it's still crispy and crunchy. Sorry about the neighbor's dog. They always cage the dog. I feel bad for the dog. I don't know why they do that. Oh, I'm asking my maid to flip it. Yes, now let's go to the table. Oh yes, 10-piece spring roll, chicken curry spring roll, and 8-piece chicken curry samosa. This is so good. This is a must try, guys. You guys are gonna be having fun with this. Let's put it aside. I took a picture for the thumbnail. Now it's for me to try. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was so good. Oh, I want to finish this. I want 3 or 4 more. Next up is the samosa. Let me get it. And here's the chicken curry empanada. You can check it out too. Oh yeah, this one takes the cake. This one, like I said earlier, is what I love. Yep, you guys gotta try this, alright? Yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe this way you can check out all the other good stuff here, alright? See ya!